Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva read text. Canva now offers a fantastic built-in text-to-speech feature, allowing you to transform your written content into engaging audio. This tool is perfect for adding dynamic voiceovers to your videos, presentations, and social media posts, making your designs more accessible and captivating for your audience. Let's dive into how to use it. To get started, open your Canva design and navigate to the Apps section in the sidebar. Search for text-to-speech and select one of the integrated applications. Once opened, simply type or paste your desired text into the provided box. You can then choose from a variety of AI voices, select a language, and fine-tune the volume, speed, and pitch to match your project's needs. After customizing your voice settings, click Create Audio to generate the spoken version of your text. This will produce an audio file that you can easily drag and drop directly onto your design's timeline. You can then precisely position and synchronize this audio with your visual elements, ensuring your message is delivered clearly and effectively. This process takes just a few moments. Using text-to-speech in Canva significantly boosts engagement and accessibility for your content. It allows you to create dynamic videos and presentations that cater to a wider audience, including those with visual impairments. Remember, you can convert up to 2,000 characters at a time. For longer texts, simply break them into smaller sections and merge the audio files seamlessly within Canva's editor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.